The Woody Woodpecker
Glad you dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
Okay, gang. We're ready for the next cartoon. Let her It's home!
Thank you for my first trick. For my first trick, we decide which came first, the chicken or the egg.
Oh, no. Not that old ostrich in the hat trick. That's an easy one.
So, we got a wise guy in the audience.
And for an encore, the bird follows the professor.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for my next trick, watch closely.
Last time I saw this act, he brought up a pink elephant.
Smart Aleck Woodpecker, this one is blue, with polka dots. And now I will perform my famous rope trick. Alakazoo, alakazoo. Oh, this one baffles even me. Now I will climb to the top of the rope.
Wake me when the cartoon comes on.
This goon's heiter say, goon come. For my next trick, I will need an assistance from the audience. How about you there, wise guy with the big mouth?
Who, me? Sure, pal. Stick around, folks. I'll get this show back on the road.
Here we have a simple, ordinary bag and a very simple little woodpecker. Now, watch closely. And now, ooh, what a mess. Oh, well, maybe I have better luck with this one. Well, what do you know? A goldfish with feathers yet. Oh, so it was you, my little assistant. Well, let's see how you make out with the basket trick. Is all right?
It's all right.
You look a little peaked. Here, have a drink of water. And now I will demonstrate my powers of levitation. Up, up, up. Up, 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 up.
Pretty good trick, Professor. I feel like I'm way up in the air. Professor! Professor! Yeah!
To demonstrate my great hypnotic power, I will now hypnotize the smart Aleck Woodpecker.
Phooey. That hokey stuff don't work on me.
You will now be in my power. Now, you is a hummingbird. Now, you will be an airplane. Slam on the brakes! Stop! You is having engine trouble. Now you is at
I think I'm playing the wrong part in this here smellodrama.
you is
A mouse. Here, Mousie.
ouch!
Now, Professor, you will be a dog. Sit up. Speak. Good dog. Here, have a bone.
Oh.
Okay, boy. Through the hoop. And now, Professor, you will be a firecracker. Oh, boy. Now, let's see. I think you will be a pelican? A rhinoceros?
No, I will be a magician, and my last trick will go over with a bang. Goodbye, Woodpecker.
Goodbye, Professor.
You! What are you doing here?
I decided not to go.
In that case, I